You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today?
Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. There are indeed two different ways of pronouncing it, depending whether it's British English or American English. It may be used both in UK and US, but let's break down the two pronunciations. The British English, or what's referenced as the British English pronunciation, is as pogrom, pogrom. Stress on the first syllable, pogrom. Now in American English, it's usually pronounced rather as pogrom, with a stress on the second syllable and a bit more open grom sound. Pogrom, American English, or pogrom, British English, and now you know.
Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.